So I have been called out on a challenge. And well, it's not really a challenge, but they have been calling people out and I was called out. And it is called a friendship cake. Well, guys, there's only 2 ingredients to bake this cake. And if you know me very well, you will know what color my cakes will be. Well, guys, I found these in Walmart. So I will be linking in the description these cake batters. One of them is pink and one of them is green. And the only other thing, guys, you need, I have a Sprite. So guys, let's get into this. Welcome to Biology.
Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen, and I was shouted out by Cars Eat. So guys, the first thing I did was use my entire pack of pink cake batter, and then I used 1.5 cups of Sprite soda.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you.
Hi guys, so now it is another day because I got sick and I have a seizure, but nevertheless I am back and I want to show you what my cake looked like. Of course, y'all know it was pink and green. So with the green cake, I did a little something different, and my daughter actually did it. And of course, the other cake I did. So guys, I'm gonna show you what both look like, and then of course we're gonna do a taste test. So you ready?
This is what the cake looks like. Yes, that is what. And then my daughter did cake pops with the green. So aren't they so darling? So this was our outcome. So you know what time it is, guys. Taste test.
Okay guys, the first one I'm gonna taste is I guess you would call them cake pops. She didn't put them on the little sticks, but she has some of them that have pink on it, some of them with white on it, other them with granola on it, graham cracker. So guys, they're also good looking, and so I think I'm gonna take this one because it has the cheesecake, the pink and the green on it, and some white. So let's get a taste test. Oh gosh. That tastes so good. Now, let's slice the cake, okay? Okay, now let's taste the cake. I didn't get a whole bunch of it because it just had that little pop. So, it's pink, guys. It's pink. Super, super duper moist. It is so moist, guys. I have never would ever guess to put a soda. Look at there how sponge. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is so good. So guys, I would like to shout out who is the creator for this collab, and it's Mama Ray Ray. Hi, Mama Ray Ray. And who called me out was Carter's Eat, and that is Lisa. So guys, I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna grab me some milk, yes, and I'm gonna enjoy this. So guys, if you want to try this, please do tag Mama Ray Ray. And of course, it's just a box of cake mix and your favorite drink. And I did use Sprite. So guys, until the next time, please like, comment, share, and thumbs up my video. And I gotta go. And until the next time, guys, bye. With an icing on my thumb.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong